Hey guys, Pt.3 here and welcome to my and Jacob's channel. Today, welcome to Banggood Squishy Package Part 3. As you can see, I already did Part 1 and 2. And if you still didn't watch the video, I'll give those two videos a link down below the description box. But before I start this video, if you're new to this channel, just please hit that subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and turn on the post notification so you can be notified every time Jacob and I post or I post. So yeah, what are we waiting for? Oh yeah, before I start this video, this is take 5. So I'm not gonna be showing you me opening it like in the mailer. I already know it, because this is take 5. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so first squishies we have to start with are these two squishies. They're really cute. So I have this dainty one. Yeah, it's a pink I thought it would only be one big chocolate bar squishy, but they came in 2 small, but they're really cute. I thought they would only come in one design as well. So here it is. It's in this plastic. Oh, and before, if you don't know what Banggood is, Banggood sells like lots of different things rather than the squishies and really affordable things. So if you also don't know the website, I'm gonna link Banggood down below also. So as you can see, it's pretty squishy. It's soft, I would say. It's like an ombre color, so it's pretty good. It's like this tiny, like my palm. So yeah, let's take it out of the packaging. Here it is. Oh wow, that feels so good. Oh yeah, whoa, yowza. Okay, what was that? But it smelled like what do you call this? It smelled like rubber. So here it is. Pretty squishy. It's like an ombre bar thing. So yeah, let's get on with the next design. This galaxy one. This is my favorite design. It's so cute. Oh my, it popped. Here it is. It's squishy as well. Ooh, but I noticed this one's softer than this one, so yeah. And sorry for that, I'm like beside the bed, so yeah. So look how like the white specks are it really looks like the real galaxy, I would say. But it's more detailed, if you can see. It's really beautiful. Wow. It reminds me of Shopkins, but yeah. Here it is. Nice blending combination. And I forgot their prices, so I'm very sorry, guys. Yeah, I know. Oh. Next is this cute little unicorn cake, and the brand is Simela. Right here. And it's a scented, and it says all the instructions and the barcode at the back. So here it is. It's not resealable. Okay. I'll cut the bottom part only right here. So yeah. So as you can see, I cut up a line there. And oh, before, like, I really wanted to not open it, but I also want to squish it at the same time because the packaging is so cute. It's like this light blue with a leaf. That says vanilla as well. And it says squishy, a cat beside a rabbit, and this baby and mama panda. And at the back it says instructions and same pandas, a bear face, and a rabbit. So, ooh, girl, here's the scoop. And they also put the barcode at the back. So now it's open. But they didn't really like break the design because I cut the other part. So, oh wow, here's the unicorn cake. It's super I can't explain. It's super, what do you call it? Amazing, super gorgeous. I love its horn. It's like the ice cream cone. And here it is. Wow. And I got a pink. I think they have the blue one as well. Here's this cute. It looks like a It's like a unicorn narwhal. So a narwhal corn. I don't know, or a uni narwhal. So yeah, looks like that. So it has blushes on each cheek, and like the bottom is just plain white. It has icing. It's like a cake. Yeah, it's a cake. So, and it has pink frosting with sprinkles, and I really like this. So okay, and lastly, oh, I only ordered 4 items, so just I'm just kidding. I ordered 3 items actually, but since it's 4, I ordered 7 in total from the part 1 to 3. This is part 3. Oh my gosh! Next is this Be My Valentine reindeer cake, and it says premium chocolate product, so it has to be pretty good. And it says do not eat me. This is not a toy. Keep out of reach of children under 7 years old. I'm so sorry, but not some 7-year-old already has squishies, or even younger, but who knows? Okay, and it says made by, I don't know, what's this? Here's their Instagram, IG, Eric Squishy Charm. I'm not sure if it's real. Just check dog, but if it's not trusted, I don't recommend. Wishing you a chocolate-filled Valentine's Day. Wow, so let's squish it. It's not sticky anymore, so yeah, but let's just squish it in the package first. Oh, it's also rising. Squish it. Check it out. It's still rising pretty much, but oh, it's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. This looks like Choco-Mousse. I mean, reminds me of Choco-Mousse cake in real life, which is my life. I love Choco-Mousse cake. So here it is. I really like the detail, like the ear has hearts on them, and the top of the cake has chocolate frosting and some flowers, and the reindeer face with blushes on each cheek. So let's give it a squish. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so squishy. I think they're the same size. I really love cakes like this. They're really small, but that's fine. Not really small. Like, see, it's pretty small. It's pretty small. Oh, it's pretty small. Like, look. See? But you have to squish it with 2 hands. Okay, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, just please like this video and comment down below any video suggestions. I actually already have one, but please keep on commenting so I can make those videos and give you a shout out. So so hope you guys enjoy this video. So yeah, hope you like this video. See you guys next time. Bye guys.